be reacting to some sound effects. It's gonna, yep. Yep, it's gonna be awesome. Okay, so, let's do. Are you sure? No, that one.
1, 2, 3.
Okay. No, put it right there. Wait. Okay, I want to do that again. Here, give it to me. So we are gonna do elevator music.
Oh God.
Okay.
No, this is my shot.
Okay, time to another one.
Sad air.
Another one.
Fun air.
Oh, we need to do O. Wait, I got an idea. Okay, let's act like we're talking. Like, hey, breakfast. Redo that. Hold on. Ready, set.
Rumsuka.
Okay.
If you are not coming out, you do your video by yourself.
Okay.
I am. Oh.
Do.
Oh God, I fell.
What other ones can we do?
Grandma.
I'm gonna put I am the one.
I am the one.
I am the one that don't need to connect your switch.
What? For some reason, I don't have a birthmark.
Here, come here.
Does everyone have a birthmark?
Get over here, Ken. Yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you go check out that channel, Sound Effects. Yeah. So make sure to check. Oh my God. Check out his channel, My Third Place Fun.
Move.
It'll be
No.
and it's gonna be awesome. So yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys so much. Leave a comment. Like.